Good Saturday morning, everyone. Paul here with West Coast Freight Shakers and 4G Farms. We've got a busy day ahead of us today, and today we're going to be pressure washing old Brownie. If you've been following along, then you'll see the trip we did to California to pick up a 81 Freightliner with an alloy box and pull trailer, and there she is in the background. I got to get her pressure washed because we got to put it in the barn this winter, and I want to try and get all the stuff off of it that so we can start working on it. And it's got a lot of work we got to be doing on this thing this winter, so to get her ready to fire up, because she hasn't been started yet either. So it's going to be quite the day, quite the progress, but it's going to be enjoyable. So stay tuned.
All right, let's go ahead and get this started. So I'm going to hop up there and clean out a little bit of the front of the van there, and then I'm going to hop on over to the other side and see if I can't make a nice little clean square that I'll be able to bring everyone over and take a look at it. And you can compare the actual clean spot versus the dirty, because there's a lot of dirt and grime that got in some of the cracks of the fiberglass, and you'll see it.
All right, I guess I should have showed you the box before I started pressure washing. That way you could actually see the what's all involved in doing this. So I've actually got a clean spot on it, and I figured I'd give you a show real quick, and you can kind of see what I'm working with. So anyway, so here is the van that we see now. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. There's the clean spot up there, but she's been sitting for 20 years, so we've got a lot of grime on this thing, and trying to get it out of this FRP fiberglass side, that it's been a chore. But I've got a lot of it clean already on the other side, which once I get this done, I'll do a walk around and kind of show you everything. So but that's it for now, and I'll put you on the fence post here, and we'll fast forward it, and you can see everything that's going on.
All right, we're going to do a little fast forward here, and that way you're not having to watch me do a whole bunch of pressure washing, because it's kind of tedious work and not a lot of enjoyment there. But I was surprised. I mean, the box actually came pretty darn clean. I was really happy. I mean, I've been going back and forth whether or not I'm going to have to end up painting them anyways. I think the brown and gold stripes I'll end up repainting, and the rest of the box I'll have to wait and see. I know the back doors and the white around the edges will have to be painted, but other than that, I think I may get away with just leaving the box, but we'll wait and see. But I'm pretty excited to get this project started and having everyone kind of view it along the way and give me any kind of comments you want to, because I'm needing some help here. So, but so just kick back and watch the rest of it, and we'll just keep going as we do.
All right, welcome back. Well, I got everything pressure washed, so we'll do a quick viewing of the truck and the box, and you can take a look. And a lot more work to be done, but with wintertime rolling in, I want to get at least all the decay and moss and everything else growing on the box off of it, and the truck washed down best I could. But so let's go ahead and take a look. All right, as you can see, it's all looking pretty good. I mean, it came clean after sitting. Like I said, this truck's been sitting down in California for 20 years, and I've been on the hunt for an alloy box and trailer, because I was looking at converting my green truck back over to a van truck and trailer. That's what it was originally. And then I just happened to stumble across this, and it was one of those too good of deals to pass up. And then you get into it and you're like, I don't know, but hey, it's going to be a great restoration project. Not going to do really anything crazy to it. I've got a vision of just trying to keep it all original. I may swap out a few things on it, like the tanks. I may go smaller tanks. I like the longer 100-gallon tanks, and some other little things, and we'll go through that when we do a full walk around of the truck and of the trailer, and then you can see what I'm talking about. But you're not going to see one of these. I've hunted a long time trying to find one, and you know, up here in the Pacific Northwest, they're pretty much ruined. I mean, because they're FRP sides, which, you know, for anybody that doesn't know, that's fiberglass reinforced plywood. And you see these going down the freeway, and there is nothing classier than an FRP, whether it's a truck and trailer van or it's a set of doubles. But oh, they look classic. You know, the doors back here, they need a little help on them, but it's got such possibilities, and it's gonna look good. I've got big visions on it, and sometimes visions, well, they really stretch. But I think we've got a great project in front of us, and this is going to be a great winter project. So like and subscribe, follow me, because we are going to be on a heck of a good trip this winter, and getting this ready. And this old girl right here, well, what can I say? My pride and joy. We're going to be working on her too, since the door latch decided while we were down in California that the little button that holds it when you pull it out and you go to open the door, it snapped off. So on top of trying to get the trailer going, which is in there, we'll do a walk around to that later too, I had to climb through the passenger side over the doghouse and then take all the screws off the back side. Mind you, you can't just lean down and grab them. They're all down in there, and it was 100 degrees down there in Corning, California, so a little sweating going on, but got her, and got the new door latches from Freightliner. They actually had them in stock, and so we'll do a little video on that, opening this thing up and getting that replaced. So lots of great things going to happen on the channel. So please like and subscribe, comment below. I'm anxious to see what everyone's thoughts are, and if you have ideas, reach out to me, let me hear them, because I am no professional doing this. This is just a love I've had since I was a kid, and I'm just restoring trucks and gonna be taking them to truck shows. So that's kind of how it is. And with that, I think we'll call it a day. I've got to start winterizing everything and getting ready for wintertime coming in, so I wanted to get the rest of the pressure washing done before everything freezes. So on that note, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.